Hello and welcome back everybody to another YouTube video. In this video I will explain and solve a problem set 2, just setting up my Twitter. This one is actually pretty simple. The only thing we have to do is to remove all vowels from a string, and that string is going to be input from the user. So let's get right into and start coding. So as always, let's take input from user. And let's actually also create a variable to store the string after we modify it. This variable will be an empty string. So in this problem, we want to check and remove a vowel character. Let's create a list to store the vowels. So we check on those. To check every character in the string, we will need to make a for loop for I in range len of text. We want to check if the character is a vowel. Sorry, in vowels. Or actually, let's check if the character is not a vowel. Not in vowels. And if that's the case, we will add a character to the new text variable, and otherwise we will just do nothing. Okay, let's print out the new variable and see if everything is working. Let's run the program and try. Okay, let's clear the terminal first. Okay, let's run the program again. Yeah, let's try hello with some letters uppercased. Okay, let's see. Okay, notice that our program is not going to work if the vowel is uppercase. So the uppercase letter E is still in the output. Because if you look at our list, you will see that we only store the vowels in lowercase. I'm thinking of two ways to fix this problem. The first one is to add vowels in uppercase to the list, and this should be enough. Okay, let's run the program and test again. Yeah, that's working. The second way is to just force the character to be lowercase when we check it, and we can do so using the lower method. So let me remove this, and we can add the lower method here. So we force the character to be lowercase. Let's run the program and test again. Yeah, see, that's also working. And now after finishing our program, let's try the problem examples. The first example we are given is Twitter. Let's run and see. Yeah, that works just fine. The second example is what's your name? Yeah, that's also working. And the third example and the final example we have for today is CS50. Yeah, that works too. There are no vowels, so the variable will be printed as it is. That's the end of the video. If you have any questions, leave me a comment down below. Thank you for watching.